up, nerd?
Hi.
So we're on day 12 now. I didn't video a few days because we were working in the dark. All our lights got taken out and stuff. But we got a lot done. And then I had guys come in and demo our carport on the shop and pretty much gut out the shop and clean it out. So it's actually really big. So we'll do a walkthrough of that. I had them clean out the basement too. All the plumbing's new and almost done. We're gonna finish up our sheetrock hopefully today and then get started on mud and patching and tape and texture and all that fun stuff tomorrow. We got windows in, so the windows are sweet. We got a bunch of cabinets in and our vanity and some flooring for our bathroom. So
we get to unbox everything.
So we're gonna unbox that. We'll video it, show you guys what we picked out. And yeah, we'll just do a walkthrough really quick of everything that's gotten done the last couple days. Here's our shop. It's pretty much gutted down to the studs now. It's about a 40 by 20-ish. Like 35 by 20, so it's pretty decent size. A lot bigger than it was looking. So a lot of space, enough space for some toys, that's for sure. So the idea for this thing is to maybe keep this back like 10 feet for storage for us, and then turn the rest of it into like a small 1-bedroom apartment with a small kitchen and bathroom to rent out. And then we got our yard kind of cleaned up too. So definitely opened up. There was a carport here. So the idea is to bring out a new shop about 20 feet towards us on the back part of the lot and have like another 20 by 30 shop right here and then storage. And then this will be an apartment. There's access to it. So we'll take this garage door out and have like a small parking space. So we can rent that out for however much. But be nice. We'll put a fence back here and yard feels pretty big now. I still like that red trim. Do you like the red trim? I think we should keep it. But it's so cool. Just kidding. There's a new window. We basically got to go through and still kind of sweep up everything, but I guess we'll start up here. So we got some big windows. Big one in the front. Big one right there. Nice big window above the window seat. Melissa got her giant 4-foot by 6-foot window, so.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
I love it.
It's pretty. New windows in the master. And then instead of having a giant window in the closet, we put this little guy in. So that'll be nice. Got a lot of patching to do though. Plumbing's new. That'll be nice to have. Yeah. It's coming along. Walk through the basement. Alright. So basement got gutted out. Kinda still needs swept up, but we found another room too. Once we have light, it's back here. Can't see anything. So, new plumbing. Let's walk around here. So, we're gonna add a few bedrooms. In this corner will be a full bathroom, and then kind of a utility room and laundry room in here. And then water heater. Add some lights down here. I don't know where there are, but pretty big amount of space. But yeah, whole different house, that's for sure. Probably be able to put a couple bedrooms down here. We'll figure something out, but it's just under construction right now, so. So we're gonna get swept up, cleaned up, get this place back to being somewhat organized. I'll let Melissa unbox some things, and then I'm gonna start hanging sheetrock.
I'm so excited.
And yeah, we'll get back to moving forward.